The true heroes are those who fought for the future. The faces of the past, captured in old photographs, these people lived through one of the greatest conflicts of the 19th century, the Crimean War. Their stories may have been forgotten, but today we bring them back to life by restoring their images in color. Now, they are not just shadows of the past, they are with us once again. Every gaze, every wrinkle on these faces is a reminder of a time when history was written on the battlefield. These veterans witnessed great changes, and their portraits serve as a bridge between the past and the present. The Crimean War of 1853–1856 changed the course of world history. It was the first conflict to be documented through photography. At the time, people could not imagine that more than 150 years later, their faces would be brought back to life using modern technology. Many of these men endured the siege of Sevastopol, which lasted for 349 days. It was one of the longest and most grueling struggles of that era. Others fought in the Battle of Balaclava, where the fate of Crimea was decided. Look into their eyes. Strength, exhaustion, pride, and memories of the past are reflected in them. Many returned home, but not all could forget the horrors of war. This war was also the first to see advancements in battlefield medicine. It was during this time that organized medical corps emerged, and figures like Florence Nightingale revolutionized the way wounded soldiers were treated. The soldiers of that time not only fought the enemy but also battled disease, harsh winters, and a lack of supplies. They had to survive in the most extreme conditions and then find their place in a world that had changed. These veterans are not just figures in old photographs. They are a part of history that we can preserve by restoring their images in color. Every photo is a window into the past, a chance to see people who once lived, fought, and dreamed. Each person in these photographs was once alive, with a family, dreams, and hopes. Their voices have long since faded, but their eyes still speak to us through time. May they never disappear into the shadows of history, and may their images remain with us forever.